Om Shanti. Today's Murli. Sweet children, make effort to remove the rust of vices on you souls by remembering the Father, the Almighty Authority. Question: what is the main reason why your intellect's yoga breaks away from the Father, and what is the easy way to connect it? Answer: your intellect's yoga is broken when you become body conscious, when you forget the father's orders, and when you have dirty vision. This is why Baba says, children, as much as possible, be obedient, make full effort to make soul conscious. Make yourself the soul pure by having remembrance of imperishable surgeon. Song: you are the fortune of tomorrow. Om Shanti. God Shiva speaks. You children heard the song. You children understand that Baba, who is called the Purifier, is sitting in front of you, the Supreme Father. The Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul, is definitely called the Purifier. Brahma, Vishnu, Shankar cannot be called the Purifier. That one is the ocean of knowledge. The ocean of knowledge is only one and one, only one, Shiv Baba. You children know that you souls are listening to knowledge from the Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul. You have now become soul conscious. Everyone in the world is body conscious. You are now soul conscious, and the other world is body conscious. Those who are soul conscious become elevated. The Supreme Soul sits here and makes them soul conscious. The Father explains, it is souls that become sinful souls, or pure and charitable souls. It is not sad, sinful living beings, bodies, or charitable living beings. The sanskars remain in the souls. The bodies are repeatedly destroyed. The soul takes 84 births, and all the sanskars remain in the souls, not in this body, because the body is destructible, but the soul is imperishable. You children know that Shiv Baba is also called the imperishable surgeon. Souls are imperishable, and the Father is also imperishable. Souls are never destroyed, but yes, souls are covered with the rust of devils. The dirtiest number one rust is the vice of lust. Lust is the worst vice. And then there is the rust of anger. The Father sits here and explains to you souls, you should have the firm faith that the Supreme Father, the firm faith, the Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul, has entered this ordinary body of Brahma. He is the charioteer of this chariot. It isn't a chariot like a horse chariot. The Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul, explains to you souls, O souls, you are covered with the rust of five vices. The five vices are called Ravan. It is just because you have been covered with the rust of five vices that you have all become vicious and unhappy. Due to vices, we have become vicious and unhappy. I am now removing your dust. I am the only surgeon who can remove that dust. There cannot be another surgeon of human souls. Human beings cannot remove the rust that is covering souls. In order for the rust to be removed, the Almighty Authority, the Supreme Soul, is definitely needed. He says, O souls of living beings, O my children, if you remember me, the rust on you souls will continue to be removed. If we are in the remembrance of one, Shiv Baba, our rust will continue to be removed. If you don't remember me, the rust will not be removed. If you do not imbibe this, you won't be able to claim a high status. Those who are covered with rust are said to be impure. When a soul becomes impure, he receives an impure body. When a soul is Sato Pradhan, he receives a Sato Pradhan body. Rust accumulates little by little, at first just like a pinch of salt in flour, and then in the Copper Age, a lot of rust is accumulated. The degrees of soul gradually decreases. It takes 1250 years for the souls to become 14 degrees from 16 degrees. Total 84 births, but in beginning 16 to 14 degree we take 1250 years. The total 5000 years, 1250 years we take to become 16 degrees to 14. You should always be aware that you BKs are the children of Rama. All the rest are children of Ravan because they are created through poison. There is no poison in the golden age. At this time, no matter how many blessings someone may give, there will definitely be someone above that person who would give him blessings. For instance, it is said to be the Pope that he gives blessings, but he also needs the blessings of a Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul, who is the highest on high. You receive blessings when you follow Srimad. How could there be blessings for someone who is disobedient? Baba says, become soul conscious. If there is the consciousness of your body, it means that you are not obeying orders and your status would then be destroyed. The Father has now come, and so you are serving Bharat to make it elevated. It is with great difficulty that you receive even 3 square feet of land. I now make the whole world new for you. You just also explain to important people at the exhibitions. You are engaged in doing this elevated service. Come and understand how we are making Bharat elevated. By Raj Yoga. After showing them the exhibits, explain to them that the Srimad is one Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul, who is ever pure. He is Abhokta, beyond experiencing the fruits of karma. Asochta, one without thoughts, and the ocean of knowledge. He establishes heaven. We are serving Bharat by following his Srimad. It is remembered that the Pandavas didn't receive even 3 square feet of land. A very broad and unlimited intellect is needed to understand this. That can only happen when you have complete yoga. It is only then that the rust of body consciousness can be removed. Baba advises you to explain to so and so. We have all made a promise to Baba. We also have photographs. The head office and all other centers in Delhi and everywhere else should also have these photos. A very broad and unlimited intellect is required to this too. There should be 3 or 4 copies of the photos. However, Maya can conquer any child at this time, and then those who are amazed to the knowledge, who belong to the Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul, who were to claim the kingdom of the world, reign away. The unlimited Father says, I change the whole world, and make it first class and give it to you, and you will then sit and rule there, and everything else will be destroyed. I make it for you first class. You children definitely do have to become soul conscious. Everyone has a right to become pure. Now that the Father has come, he says, have yoga with me, drink the nectar of knowledge, and you will become elevated. Sannyasis to dislike vices. It is good to remain pure. That is where also pure. Only the Father comes and makes you pure from impure. Everyone there is viceless. That is the viceless world. When Bharat was viceless, it was the golden sparrow who made it like that. It would definitely have been the Father who made it like that. Souls become impure and diseased. The surgeon of souls is God. It cannot be a human being. Surgeon of soul is God. It can't be a human being. The Father says, I myself am the purifier. Everyone remembers me. It is good to remain pure. Sages and holy men have all been remembering me. They have been remembering me for birth after birth. O purifier, come. So God is only one. It isn't that devotees are God. They don't even know God. I explained to you in the previous cycle. 2. God speaks, I teach you Raj Yoga. I entered the body of Brahma, who was worthy of worship, and has now become a worshipper. There were pure kings who have now become impure beggars. You have the faith that you are because the children of Brahma, the father of people, the supreme father, the supreme soul, created Brahmins through Brahma. Donations are always given to Brahmin priests. What donation am I giving? The whole world. I personally sit in front of those who change from Sudraj into Brahmins and who do my service, and I explain to them. You must never have dirty vision. You need to have a great deal of courage to explain at exhibitions. The purifier is only the one father. You remember him. These are the river Gangas who have emerged from the ocean of knowledge. Dadis. The Murli is talking about Dadis, river Gangas. They are also called Shiv Shaktis. You receive power by having yoga with Shiv Baba. We receive power by having yoga with Shiv Baba. The rest of the 5 vices is also removed. A magnet can only attract a needle when the needle is pure. You souls are covered with the rust of Maya. Now by your having yoga with me, the rust will be removed. You will be clean. This is now the kingdom of Ravan, and everyone has a Tamapradhan intellect. This is why God said, I come and uplift sinners like Ajamil, those with no virtues, and also holy men also, etc. Only the one Father makes everyone elevated. Only the purifier Father comes and makes Bharat pure through these mothers. This is why the mothers call out, save us from becoming impure. Men don't allow them to stay pure. You should say to the government, help us in this. However, the wives themselves have to be very strong with intoxication. It should not be that you then continue to remember your husband or your children. In that case, you would be in an even worse condition. The father continues to explain everything about how you should create methods. The days of happiness for you children are about to come. The days of happiness for you children are about to come. I create the golden aged world, which is called heaven, and give that to you. Srimad says, have yoga with me, the Father, and your rest will be removed. Otherwise, neither will you be able to claim such a high status, nor will you be able to imbibe knowledge. You must not commit any sins. When you become body conscious, your intellect yoga breaks. This Brahma also remembers that Father, the Supreme Soul, sits in this body of Brahma and says to him, O soul of Brahma, O soul of Radhe, remember me and your rest will be removed. Only when you consider yourselves to be souls and follow Srimad fully can remember him. Only if we follow Srimads and consider ourselves soul, then we can remember him. Greed is no less. When you see something nice and you want to eat it, that is called greed. Baba says, Maya like a mouse, first blows and then bites. There are many such imaginary stories written in the scriptures. Sannyasis then say that these pictures are your imagination. Baba continues to explain everything to you. Children, don't think that when you do something, Baba is not aware of it. Baba knows how much dirty activity there is in this world. Innocent ones are to be assaulted. Save yourself by using the right method. Otherwise, your status will be destroyed. It is understood that according to the drama, all of this is to be happen. According to the drama, all of this is to be happen. I continue to explain you. If you still don't understand, some will become maids or servants and some will become subjects. Some will become maids and servants and some will become subjects. The destiny of the drama is predestined. What can anyone do? The poor, the wealthy, all definitely have to be created. Baba comes in Bharat. This is an impure land. Baba comes and makes the whole world into a pure land. Bharat alone receives all the butter. The story is so easy, but a lot of courage is needed to stay in knowledge and yoga. A lot of courage is required to stay in knowledge and yoga. If you don't follow Srimat, your status is destroyed. Baba gives you directions. Explain in this way. Those who explain have to be very sensible. There is so much love for Baba. Children write with so much love. I am sending a sweater for Shiv Baba's chariot. Shiv Baba chariot is who? Brahma Baba. Shiv Baba is our unlimited father. He is making us into the masters of heaven. He is converting us into masters of heaven. You keep Baba in your intellect. I am sending Toli to Shiv Baba's chariot. I am decorating Shiv Baba's chariot just as the horse of Hussein is decorated. This one is the true horse. Who is the true horse? Baba Brahma. Only the purifier Baba purifies everyone. This one is also decorating himself. He remembers Baba and also remembers his status. These two are very firm strong. They become the god and goddess of knowledge and then the emperor and empress, and so they must definitely have children too. You truly become the masters number wise according to the efforts you make. Through Raj Yoga you become an emperor or empress, but it then depends on how much service each of you does. How much service each of you does. Baba tells you all the methods. Acha, to the sweetest, be loved, long lost and now found children, love, remembrance and good morning from the mother, the father, the Bap Dada. The spiritual father says Namaste to the Savi spiritual children. We spiritual children say Namaste to the spiritual father and Bap Dada. Good morning. Thank you Baba. Thank you. Essence for Dharna. In order to receive the father's blessings, be obedient. Obey the order to become soul conscious. Maya is a mouse and so you have to protect yourself from her. Don't have greed. Continue to follow Srimat fully. Blessings. May you be a soul who experiments with the powers of yoga and knowledge by becoming light. You have become Jnani and Yogi souls. Jnani and Yogi souls. Now become souls who experiment by experimenting with the powers of knowledge and yoga. The power and the knowledge and the yoga we imbibe in ourselves, we have to do in practical. We have to show in practical that knowledge and power. Just as some tools of science function with light, in the same way the basis of power of silence is also light. Basis of silence is light. The imperishable light of God, the light of souls and the light of your practical stage. When you wish to experiment, then check whether you are light or not. If your stage is light and your form is double light, you will then easily achieve success in your experiments. Which knowledge we imbibe, we have to do in practical and we have to show in practical. Slogan: if you want to experience the stage of liberation in life, free yourself from impure thoughts and impure actions. We have to free ourselves from impure thoughts and impure actions. Experience the stage of being merged in love. Today's message from Madhuban is: experience the stage of being merged in love with Shiv Baba. Renunciate and tapasvi souls are always lost in the Father's love. They remain merged in the ocean of love, ocean of knowledge, bliss, happiness and peace. Experience all these qualities is showing on you: knowledge, bliss, happiness and peace. Such children who always remain merged are the true tapasvis. They are able to renounce everything naturally. Who are tapasvis? They can renounce anything. They can rid of anything. Thank you. Om Shanti.